Hey, what is up, YouTube? It is Alex Xavier, and today is another day in which to excel. So we got myself a package from eBay, and yes, I'm trying to upload that unboxing video of me unboxing 8 phones, but I've been lazy, but on my Motorola, but it was loading for too long because each clip was like 30 minutes long, and each time it would always stop. Which I don't know why, but either ways, I'm just either ways, I'm back. I'm back, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it this way. Okay, I'm using my Xbox to help me film this packaging. Nothing else. And at the bottom of the box, there's a address on. There's an address and mine. So yeah, I'm keeping it for private, personal. It's privacy, so I don't want to expose it online. Otherwise, we'll get robbed. Sorry about that. And here it is, Samsung Galaxy M2. Let me see what this says. Let me read it for myself. Oh, it says Galaxy M2, but can you guys read that? I don't think you guys can see that, but I'll just turn on the flashlight. It says Galaxy M2, but I barely could see it. Even the camera too. It's harder with the camera. Either ways, moving on. Let's open it, and got the device right here. Very budgety. And let's go ahead and turn on the flashlight so you can get a little better look, because there's not really too much lighting in my room, so yeah. And it's afternoon for me, so yeah. Here's a here's a first glance look at the device. Very nice. I Looks like in pretty good condition. I saw a few apps on this thing, which indicates that this thing is used. Either way, let's go ahead and see if it's got a battery in it. Okay, this is the little pocket hole to open the back cover. Very clean back cover. It's not really weared off. Here's the battery. Very clean. Don't mind the background. Sorry. Hold on, sorry. SMJ120AZUD. This is a Cricket device. Here's a reason why. There's only reason why I bought. Only reason why I bought this thing is cause the one I got from the flea market for $1 was unfortunately Google locked, and I couldn't bypass it. So yeah, and yeah. This kind of reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy Express 3 a little bit from AT&T, but either ways, let's go ahead and see if it has power. It's probably dead, which I already know. I've seen it working in the pictures, but I've been wanting to get this thing. I've been wanting a working one, but yeah. Only one that needs to arrive is my Galaxy Showcase, and I also bought another Motorola too, but let's go ahead and plug this in. See little lightning. I also bought a Motorola Razr V3 on AT&T in black, but you know what's wrong with it? You know what happened? The seller refunded it to me back because I don't know why. Maybe the device wasn't working, or he probably didn't want money from the gift card. Probably wanted money or something like that. He probably didn't give it up. He probably didn't want me to keep a broken phone and give me, and he would think that I would give him a bad review. But all I'm basically doing is just collecting devices, testing them, seeing if they work or not, seeing if they're worth it or something. But either ways, I don't recommend ZTEs because they're very slow on reliability. they're very slow on speed, and they could just slip. And sometimes they could just be stuck on the logo. But either ways, this thing got to a percent, single percent. Now it's at 2. All right, let's power it on. Samsung Galaxy M2 powered by Android. Every unboxing needs a startup, even a review too. Do not mind the background. I don't think this has locks or anything. Okay, get the system up. Oh, I like the little arrows on the apps whenever you like swipe. Look at this. Alright, hold on, let me show you again. I like the little arrows. They just show you how to swipe whenever to open an app. How do you say this? It just shows you on it guides you on how to swipe up to whenever you want to open the phone or camera app. Either ways, let me see if my phone's charging. My phone's running on low battery, so let me go ahead and so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. There we go. Got it connected. Yeah, it just gave me a little it just gave me a little message that it's running low and some features could be disabled, but either ways, let's see what kind of apps the previous owner used to have. Oh, there's an email. This will most likely have a Google account, so I'll probably blur that for personal privacy. For privacy reasons. Move apps to SD card. It doesn't really have that much. Not even. Yeah, it doesn't really have anything. It's got Safeway too. Either ways, let's go to the settings. See what Android version this runs. Go ahead and enable these. Fun fact, this is the second generation of the AMP2. And fun fact, the original Samsung Galaxy AMP runs on AIO wireless, if you don't know what that is. Some sort of other carrier. Some other type of carrier, but I'm not sure. I'll probably explain it another time when I do my showcase video, but let's see what the ringtone used to be. Let's see what kind of over the horizon does it got? Probably 2015. Oh no, it's 2016. Not a bad ringtone. Yeah, the 2016 is alright. The 2015, I like it. Don't mind the background. Sorry for repeating myself. Oh wow. Oh, and it's even got the pack. And sometimes when there's a little cleaning, I've seen in some of these videos where they just say that if there's like a little cleaning app on your device or a random one, sometimes it could literally mess up your device, or it could potentially get hacked. And yeah, don't download the other space cleaning apps. Only use the provided one inside your device that's already put into the device. Ooh. Oh. Oh, not even that much storage. Does this even have an SD card? Hold on, let me check. I don't see an SD. Oh, yeah, it doesn't have one. This could be a CDMA phone or something like that. Okay. There's a lot. Antivirus, if you want to clear out the virus or something like that. Oh, it's even got the Safeway app, but oh, it's even got the Solitaire. I don't know how to play that, but one day I'll get there. It just takes practice. Either ways, let's get to the Android version. I'm gonna guess this is on Marshmallow or no, this just got to be on Android Nugget. Oh, oh, this is Marshmallow. At first I was thinking Marshmallow and then Nugget, but okay. Okay, now we test out the camera. It's all right. It doesn't. Let me see if it can focus on the box. There we go. The camera's all right. It's kind of poor. Yeah, I despise the camera quality. I despise the VGA on this. I mainly despise the quality and speed of the 1/5 speed shutter, the 1/5 shutter speed. I'm not really a big fan of it, but either ways, I may have to reset this. This game could be usable for Android. Older Androids don't really support other apps anymore, or Google. Hmm. Let me see if it has an account. Well, it's got a Google, but I'm not gonna select that for privacy reasons. So yeah, overall, good replacement. Not a bad condition. It hasn't really been used, but owner really took good care of this phone. It looks in very good condition. Mint condition, honestly. They probably made sure to clean it all the time. Okay. And yeah, that will be it for today. And this one's probably got I don't know what processor this has. Gotta be some sort of gigahertz processor, but either way, I like this Android 6 device. It's not that bad. Overall, I'll give it's pretty good. I'll give this like a 7.7 out of 10. Not that bad. I'll give this like a 7, honestly, like the percentage. Either ways, I like that animation. Either ways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that unboxing. And yeah, all it came was just the phone itself. But either ways, I'm glad I always keep my cables connected to here, where it's connected to the wall. But we had to get rid of the little outlet where it has all the power. We had to get rid of the little power outlet that has multiple power outlets because it was too old and it wouldn't even turn on my PlayStation anymore. So yeah. Either ways, thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next one. And I'll try to upload the other unboxing of the other phones. But either ways, peace guys. Have a great one.